Well, hello there. You're watching the Weiss channel. Da. All right. So today I'm going to talk about rectangle diagonals, the lengths of rectangle diagonals. Okay. So take a look. All right. Given rectangle BCDE. Okay. So once again, notice how when you name a rectangle or any quadrilateral, you name the letters in order around the rectangle. Doesn't matter where you start, okay? But you go in order around the rectangle or any figure, okay? So rectangle BCDE below, BD, all right, BD. BD is from B, right? Here's B. B is right here. B all the way to D, right? So this length here, BD, is 68. Okay. Then it says CE, all right, from C, here's C, from C to E. This length here is X minus 10. All right, in a rectangle, the diagonals are equal. Not in a parallelogram. A rectangle is a parallelogram, but in any parallelogram that is not a rectangle, the diagonals are not equal. But here, today, in today's assignment, all the diagonals are equal. So I can say X minus 10 equals 68, right? X minus 10 equals 68, right? Because the diagonals are equal. What do you do to both sides? X minus 10, how do you get rid of minus 10? Well, you plus 10, Mr. Weiss, that's right, plus 10. Okay, answer 78. There you go. Easy. Okay. Next. Rectangle CDEF. All right. DG equals 15. Here's from D to G, right? DG equals 15. CG, from C, here's C right here. That's C to G. CG equals 3x plus 6. Now, here's another thing about a rectangle. The green and the orange, those two guys, they're equal. And guess what? This yellow guy over here, FG, that's also equal to, let's make this guy purple. This purple guy, EG. So FG and EG are equal. And guess what? All four of them are equal. All four of those guys are equal. Okay. The orange, the green, the purple, the yellow, they're all equal. Okay. So what we can now say is 3x plus 6 equals 15, right? Okay. Now what do we do to both sides? Well, we are going to minus 6, right? And then 3x equals 9. Now what do we do to both sides? Divide by 3, right? Now x equals 3. Easy, man. Okay. Problem there? Here we go. Rectangle, NOPQ. PR is 30. Okay. PR. Here's PR. PR is 30. OR. This is OR. OR is negative x plus 10. Oops. Negative x plus 10. Okay. So negative x plus 10 equals 30. We do both sides. We're going to minus 10, right? Fix this here. Hang on. Okay. Minus 10. You get negative x equals 20. Negative x is the same as negative 1x, right? We're going to divide by negative 1. And x equals negative 20. Yes, it's possible to get negative answers, okay? If you put negative 20 in for x right there, you get negative negative 20, right? And negative negative 20 is positive 20, plus 10 is 30, right? Ding, 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 ding. Woo! Okay. Okay, and rectangle EFGH. Oh, right. GI from G to I. GI is 79. Okay. FH. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. FH is all the way from F all the way to H. Are the green and the orange equal? No, they're not. They're not equal. Uh-oh. FH equals negative 6x plus 10. They are not equal. But would you agree that the orange is twice the size of the green, right? Right? Okay, so look. Negative 6x plus 10 equals, look, 2 times 79, right? Two of those guys equals one orange one, right? So I've got to double the 79. Okay, so now what? Well, negative 6x plus 10 equals, what's 2 times 79? Well, 2 times 80 is 160. So 2 times 79 is going to be 158. All right, now what? Minus 10. You get negative 6x equals 148. Divide by negative 6. I'm going to use my handy dandy calculator. Because offhand, you know what? I don't know what 148 divided by 6 is. So 148 divided by 6 is I did something wrong. Hold on, let's see what I did wrong. 2 times 79 is 158. 158 minus 10 is 148. Oh, look at what I did wrong. Okay, let's fix what I did wrong. Who sees what I did wrong? You probably are screaming at me. Weiss, look what you did. This is 6x minus 10, right? Sorry, this is 6x minus 10, 6x minus 10. So what do I have to do here? I have to plus 10 to both sides, right? So this is going to be, oops, 168, okay? Sorry about that. It's the first mistake I've ever made my entire life. What's 168 divided by 6? That is 28. So it's going to be negative 28, right? Negative 28. All right, that's not painful, right? Okay. Let's do the same thing one more time, okay? So here we've got NQ. Here's NQ from N to Q. NQ is 65. Okay. MO. MO goes from M all the way to O, right? Is the orange equal to the green? No, it's not. MO equals negative 6x plus 10. Ah, look, this time it's negative 6x plus 10. That's so weird. Anyway, negative 6x plus 10, all right, equals, does it equal 65? No, it doesn't equal 65. It equals 2 times 65, right? I got to double 65 in order to equal the negative 6x plus 10. Okay? Okay, Mr. Weiss. Right. So negative 6x plus 10 equals 2 times 65 is 130. Okay, I'm going to minus 10 from both sides. I get negative 6x equals 120 divided by negative 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So 120 divided by 6 is 20. So x equals negative 20. All right. You should have no problem with today's Delta Math assignment. Okay. You've been watching the Weiss channel. Have a good day and say no to drugs.